In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset the zoom level in your Google Docs to the default setting. This is a simple process, but one that can be incredibly useful if you've been adjusting the zoom and want to return to a standard view. Whether you're finding the text too small or too large, resetting the zoom allows you to see your document in its default format. Let's walk through this together. First, you'll want to make sure your Google Docs file is open. This is where we'll be making the adjustment. Once you have your document open, take a look at the toolbar located at the very top of the page. This toolbar is where you'll find various tools and settings that allow you to modify your document's appearance and layout. Find the section in the toolbar that displays the current zoom level, usually showing a percentage value like 125% or 150%. This indicates the current magnification of your document. Click on the drop-down menu next to the zoom percentage. Once you click, you'll see several options available for adjusting the zoom level. To set the zoom back to its default setting, select 100% from the list of options. This will reset your document's zoom level to the standard view, which is the way Google Docs is designed to appear. This zoom level is often the most comfortable for general viewing and editing, providing a balanced display of text and other elements on the page. For those of you who prefer using keyboard shortcuts, there's a quick and convenient way to do this. If you're using a Windows computer, press Ctrl and 0 simultaneously. For Mac users, the shortcut is Command and 0. This keyboard combination achieves the same result as selecting 100% from the drop-down menu, quickly returning your view to the default zoom level. Whether you're following the menu navigation or using the keyboard shortcut, resetting the zoom in Google Docs is a straightforward task that helps keep your document clear and easy to read. Don't forget, these tips can be useful if you ever find your document scale is off in the future. So keep this method in mind whenever you need a quick reset. We hope this guide has been helpful, and you'll feel more confident managing your document's zoom settings. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.